Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking you to a beautiful plant nursery. Here you will see many varieties of plants, flowers, pots and garden decoration items. If you love nature, you are going to enjoy this video a lot. So let's start our nursery tour. As I enter the nursery, you can see how green and peaceful this place is. There are plants everywhere, big plants, small plants, indoor plants and outdoor plants. The air feels fresh and the place looks very natural and beautiful. Here we have the indoor plants. These plants are perfect for our home decoration because they grow well inside the house. Some of the popular indoor plants you can see here are money plant, snake plant, peace lily, spider plant, etc. etc. Indoor plants help clean the air and make the home look more beautiful. These plants grow well inside the house and help purify the air. The nursery also has beautiful decoration items. Here you can see garden status, animal figures, fountain, hanging pots and wall planters. These items make gardens, balconies and outdoor spaces look more creative and attractive. If you want to give your garden a fresh look, these decorations are very useful. Now let's look at the different types of pots available in the nursery. They have mud pots, ceramic pots, metal pots and FRP pots. I really like the designs and colors, perfect for home decoration and gardening. You can choose pots based on size, weight and durability. FRP pots are lightweight and strong. Ceramic pots look stylish and mud pots are natural and eco-friendly. Here, landscaping and horticulture. Many nurseries also provide services like landscaping and horticulture. Landscaping means designing and beautifying outdoor spaces like lawns, gardens, parks, or house surroundings. Horticulture means growing and caring for the plants like fruits, vegetables, flowers, and ornamental plants. These services help keep your garden healthy and beautiful. Now let's move to the outdoor plants. These plants need more sunlight and are perfect for gardens, balconies and open spaces. You can see so many plants are here. Each one has its own beauty and they make your home surrounding very colorful. You can see so many colorful flowers here. These plants make any place look bright and cheerful. There are so many plants are here. Another important thing is that behind this nursery garden there is a restaurant called Blue Home. Not only that, there is also a small playground for children to play. So this is what our nursery tour for today. I really enjoyed exploring all these plants and decoration. Thank you so much my friends. This nursery is located at Sadankeri Law Stop near Sadankeri Park on Goa Road in Harvard. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching next video. See you in the next video. Bye.